Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this fail to initialize the Steamworks in Counter-Strike 2. Let's begin. First, I want you to exit your Steam client if you have it open and running. Over here, click on Show Hidden Icons. Right click on Steam, exit Steam, all right? Once done, I want you to reopen Steam. Here, if you have the shortcuts, you can right click properties. Oh no, I'm sorry. Right click and then run as the admin. If you're going to go this route on the start menu, Steam and run as the admin, right? Then once you have your Steam client opened, I want you to click on the library section over here. And on the left panel, on all of the list of your games, select Counter-Strike 2, go, click on properties, and you should be able to select the option installed files. Now click on verify integrity of game files. This might take a while since Counter-Strike 2 has a huge it has currently 57 gigabytes, but once it's successfully completed, it might show in here that some files were missing and Steam will automatically reacquire and re-download them for you. Now, once done, again, I want you to relaunch Steam and go ahead see if your Counter-Strike 2 is now working properly. Now, 99% this will work. However, if not, you might actually need to do a fresh reinstall of the game itself. So just uninstall the game and download it back here on your library. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.